to Hamana Homes family Tamangen. So congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Congrats. Congrats po. So this is a RFO unit of our duplex Miana. Ganito na po yung magiging turnover as is. And this is Morning Sun facing Mount Arayat. Ito yung space natin sa ano natin, magiging parking area. So ganito siya. And meron tayong likod. Ito yung space. And pwede tayong pumasok dito. So with complete, so may ano na siya, sink and toilet. Ito na rin yung turnover natin sa kitchen sink area with sliding door, miniature breaker for the ground floor and second floor. Actual turnover natin yung ganito, yung ceiling natin with the cube light provision. So kasama lang natin si client ngayon. Si client is nakapag-purchase na dito sa Hamana Homes. So pinapakita ko lang sa kanya yung actual turnover. So ito yung sa ano natin, master bedroom with balcony. So ito yung magiging ano natin, community. And we have a 3-bedroom. Room 1, room 2, toilet and bath with shower, and the balcony area here. So if you want the add-on na magkaroon siya ng expansion, so ganito yung construction natin with the expansion. So same materials plus wall yung materials natin. And ang kagandahan dito is kasama na kasi siya sa magiging frame ng building. So ito yung ano natin, ongoing construction natin using our construction technology. So ganito siya. And ito na yung mga finished product natin. So, yun na rin po. If you want na magkaroon ng fence and gate, nandoon na rin po siya. So, yun. May fence na siya, may gate na siya, and meron na rin siyang garage. So, ganyan po yung mga design natin na ina-approve dito. So, if you are interested about the details of Hamana Homes, just comment below or contact me at my number 0966-8777-435 and look for Engineer Well Bibis for us. How about the location, sir? So, kamusta naman yung location?
Parang add-ons na, bonus na yung location. Kasi hindi ko rin expected na ganito pala accessible kasi galing kami from Baguio. Yeah. And it's very accessible na kami nahirapan sa pag-maneuver ng location. It's very convenient talaga. Yes.
And si sir is working Singapore. So, yun, i-highlights natin yung very accessible into the Clark International Airport.
Yes.
So, yeah. So, sa airport, plan ba kayo lumalabas, sir, pagka umuwi?
At the moment, wala pa akong bahay dito. Kaya ako nag-decide na mag-purchase ng bahay sa mga bangga para in the future, kung gusto ko umuwi, ay mag-book na ako na dito sa Clark International Airport. Hindi na sa Manila.
Okay, thank you, sir, for and family. So, welcome to Hamana Homes.